Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers, April the 3rd. We're on our first of 4 jobs today. My buddy Kevin was supposed to do this job, but he got sick this morning. So we had to get out here and take care of it because this lady called yesterday and she said, I chose you guys because of your reviews, but I need it done because I'm going out of town on Thursday. So I told her we can get to it, and I was supposed to send Kevin out there, out here, but again, he got sick, so me and Ethan had to come out here and save the day. So I just called my next appointment, let her know we're running behind. But guys, this is the one of 2 rooms that we're doing, and you can see it is pretty soiled. So this is another episode of Man versus Dirty Carpet. And I got Ethan is back. And then this room right here, which isn't too bad. This desk is very, very heavy. Very heavy. So she said just go around it. Because I'm not going to risk me and Ethan's bodies trying to move that desk out the way. And maybe that's why it's still sitting there. That's what she said. She said no reason why they didn't move it because it's so heavy. So what I want to do, guys, is go ahead and get the equipment going. We're in the basement, so we're just going to be coming around the house and knock these carpets out. So stay tuned. Got some pretty good pre-treatment that I'm mixing up. And we're going to CRB these carpets, and then we're going to get them extracted nice and clean. All right, guys, so stay tuned. And we'll come back and see the afterwork. All right, guys, so Ethan's done with the the pre-vacuum, and I'm pre-treating right now. I'm using an enzyme treatment. Added some oxidizer to it to help reduce and break down these stains. And what Ethan's going to do is go back to the truck once he put up the vacuum and bring down the CRB and go ahead and get this carpet nice and clean.
Nice and shiny.
Nice and shiny, Ethan. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, there goes Ethan on the CRB. This is the favorite part that most people like to see. Now guys, as I'm looking around, I don't know if this is paint stains, some kind of little dark spots here and there. So I'm going to see what the extraction does. That's not paint. What is that? I don't know if that's paint or blood, but it's definitely not breaking down. So we might have to bring in some extra oxidizer. But you can just see how well the CRB is doing on the carpets. Alright guys, so while Ethan's doing this, I'm going to go ahead and get the 2-inch hoses pulled down so we can get ready to head to our next job. Got some pre-spray left over for the next job. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, these carpets are coming out great. I just sent Ethan to the truck to get some rust remover. These little spots I'm seeing everywhere, well not spots but stains, I put some oxidizer on it. It didn't bubble up or react, so it's definitely not blood. So I'm thinking this might be some kind of rust. See these little spots right here? See all throughout there? So they're not coming out with the extraction. So I'm gonna put some rust remover on those and see what happens. But other than that, the cleaning is coming out great, as you guys can see. I'm gonna follow up with some dry strokes. What's that? Rust D? Perfect. Let me see. Alright guys, so we got some rust remover. Let me see if this helps. Okay. Just gonna let that sit. See right here? I don't know what these little stains are. It's not paint because it's not sprayed, and usually paint was sprayed. And like I said, it's definitely not blood because it didn't react to the peroxide. And like I said, you know, you can't guarantee anything when it comes to cleaning, especially when it comes to stains, because you know stains usually means permanent. But you know, unfortunately, we do have stain removers on our van, but again, it's never a promise or a guarantee. And most of the customers that I service do understand that. But again, you know, I always like to do my best and I try my best. But you know, one saying that I like to say, and I actually came up with this, a cleaner is just as good as its chemistry. So basically what that means, if the chemistry doesn't get it out, there's nothing we can do about it. So, but again, just want to see what happens when I treat these areas, and just see if we can make an improvement to these whatever these stains are. I mean, you know, I just never seen rust stains spread out like this. But they just seem to be little drops here and there. So we'll see. All right, guys. And our next job is a total of 4 areas. Now this is a nylon carpet. Nylon carpet is one of the best carpets you can get compared to polyester. All right, I think we got one of them. Let's see. All right, I think that it's doing a little justice. I'll tell you one thing, guys. I'm having a lot of people find me on YouTube, and again, man, I just like to showcase what I do. I love what I do. I really enjoy what I've been doing for almost 20 years, and just to showcase my work is definitely bringing great feedback, opportunity to me and my company. But I'm starting to have a lot of people, especially like in the Atlanta area, that watch my videos, and they call me. I had a lady call me yesterday, and I told her I don't service Atlanta, and she said, well, I had my carpet cleaned by 2 other companies, and nobody just don't do it like you. She said, I watch your videos all day while I'm at work. So she had a total of 3 areas, and I told her, I said 3 areas is usually $150, you know, because I charge $50 a room. And she said, well, if you come out here to Atlanta, I'd be willing to pay you double. So she said she was going on vacation this week, but she was going to get back with me after vacation. So it's just amazing that, you know, people out there are willing to pay double the price, you know, for a quality service. And, you know, and again, those type of customers and clients, they understand, you know, hey, this guy doesn't service my area, but if I want to use him, hey, I'm going to have to pay more. Because getting from where I live to Atlanta, oh my God, you're talking about sometimes an hour and a half trip, depending on the traffic. Atlanta is just a congested, busy city, and I try to stay from Atlanta as much as possible. All right, guys, so I'm going to finish cleaning these carpets. And I don't know what these little stains are, but I've tried a solvent, I've tried a oxidizer, and I've also tried a rust remover, and nothing seems to be happening. So I don't think we're going to be able to get these out. Looks like you got those out. Huh. Ethan is just chilling. All right, YouTube, there you have it. Carpets came out great. What I did, I just went behind with my spray and walk away, sprayed those stains. Hopefully, leaving a reducer on it will basically help fade out or reduce some of these stains. But overall, man, I have to say that these carpets came out great. Look very good. The homeowner just came down because what she's doing is renting the basement out, and she's like, "Oh wow, wow." So she's happy with the services. So she's happy, I'm happy. That's the only thing that matters. So we're about to finish wrapping up, and just got the payment. And we're about to head to our next one. So we're running a little bit behind. Like I said, Kevin was supposed to do this one, but I had to shoot out here and knock it out. And our next one is 4 rooms, and the next one after that is 8 areas, and then we have another one after that. So it's going to be a busy, long day. Might not get into about 7, 8 o'clock tonight, but you know, I will say, hey, I'd rather be busy than slow. So just to make sure, okay. And then the next one after that, oh, that's the one that we're at now. What's our last one? Okay, our last one is a small. Okay, so that's not too bad. So our third one is our biggest one, which is 8 areas in the hallway. The next one is 4 areas, and then the last one is 2 areas minimum, just like this one. So all right, guys, thanks again for watching. Me and Ethan are going to finish wrapping up, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks again, Facebook. No, and YouTube. Thanks again, YouTube.